Hello, hi guys. So, good morning. I'm with, of course, Sir Errol. Guys, tapos na yung kanyang marathon and congrats naman sa kanya. Natapos niya, guys. Imagine 21K marathon. That's tough. Malayo-layo yun, guys. So, anyway, this is his program. Preparation for 20K marathon. Right now, guys, as you can see, ex ko yan. So, ibig sabihin, tapos na itong program na to. And right now, what he wants is muscle building naman. So, of course, manibagong program ito. It's muscle building. And of course, pati yung protein intake niya, kailangan i-increase niya. Kasi nga, he wants muscle building. Okay? Of course, ano pa rin, balanced diet pa rin. Right now, since he wants to build muscle, guys, mag-increase ito. Hindi namin ma-maintain itong 70 kg, so mag-increase yan. Okay? Because in order to build muscle, you need calories also. More calories, more protein. Okay? And then, pag satisfied na siya sa kanyang muscle gain, that's the time we go on parang cutting na. Para ma-maintain ulit namin yung 70 kilograms. Okay? At the same time, nagka-tone yung kanyang katawan, nagka-muscle siya, guys. So, yun ang gusto niya, yun ang susundin ko. So, I will make another program again. Okay? Kanyang gustong i-workout really is yung upper body. He wants to improve his upper body, meaning yung shoulders, okay, yung chest, yung back, yung arms, okay, bicep, and then the tricep. Okay? Yung legs, i-workout din namin yan, of course. Pero, hindi masyadong intense, unlike this upper body. Okay, ganun ko. Yeah. Pero importante pa rin, guys, huwag nyo i-skip yung leg day. Very important yung legs. Why? Kasi imagine yung legs mo, yan ang foundation mo. Imagine is lifting all your body weight. So, we will begin now our training. Kasi 4 days na pahinga si Sir Errol. So, our schedule for this week is Wednesday and Friday. Live training lang kami. And then next week, start building muscle. And ano yan, progressive overload yan. So, I'm going to monitor yung mga binubuhat niya. Okay, lab, sa bench press, sa military press. Okay. And then every week, we will try to increase the weight kahit mga 2.5 pounds lang. Yun ang importante. Are you happy with that? Yeah. Okay. The good thing I like about Errol is that he's very disciplined sa food. Okay? Actually, let's face it, let's be honest. Lots of people talaga struggling when it comes to food kasi nga yung temptation. Pero he's spot on, guys. So, kanyang assignment sa akin is at least he will take at least 100 grams of protein a day. Actually, dapat ano yan ang kanyang weight is 154 times 0.9, that is around 138, right? So, wag muna, dito muna kami sa 100 grams of protein. Let's see, after 1 month, ano yung reaction. Okay, so kung kulang pa rin yung kanyang gain, feels, or 2 months, we will increase the protein intake, guys. So, depende pa rin sa condition. So, adjust sa nutrition, adjust sa pagbubuhat. So, kailangan as a trainer, nilalag natin yung kanyang progress. Every workout, every session. Yes? Okay, let's begin!
latest fitness updates? Subscribe now and hit that notification bell for fresh content, workout tips, and tons of fun. Let's smash those fitness goals together!